Hey there, my name is Dana Demora. I hope you're doing well today. I am going to share just a little bit of information with you about the intuitive sequencing workshop that is coming up in the new year. I love this workshop as much as I love Nourish, Rest, and Restore and the deities and all the things yoga. I find that intuitive sequencing is one of my favorite things to do. In teacher training in my 200 hour, I tell every single student, I'm not going to ask you to ever memorize a sequence because what I want for you is I want you to be able to get on your mat, whether you're a practitioner or a teacher, and say, this is how I feel today, and this is what will support me in my practice and my life. And we do that not by me telling you what to do. We do that by dropping into the breath, dropping into the body, understanding enough about anatomy to know what parts of our body need attention, and creating a sequence around that. I've been doing this, sharing this practice of yoga for a very long time, and I've held themes at the beginning of every week. And I do that for many reasons. One is to stay organized throughout the week, and then also to really bring a sense of awareness around how can I bring a practice together? How can I write a blog? How could I, speak? What postures go with this? What chants go with this? What kind of music can I set my class to? That sort of thing. So that's what intuitive sequencing is about. And you will create a ton of sequences. Okay. And it's a super fun, very interactive course. Now, the dates and everything are on my website, so you can check that out. But I would absolutely, for me as a yoga teacher, this is one of my favorite courses to take and to lead. But go ahead and check out the website. And if it's something that interests you, I would say get on board. Again, you don't need to be a yoga teacher to take this. So you can take this course if you're just a yoga practitioner wanting to create some fun flows at home, you know. You can also take it as a standalone, as a yoga teacher for CEUs, and then also as one of our enrolled advanced teacher trainees. So again, all the information's on my site. I'm always available, so please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. In the meantime, I hope you're having an incredible day. Take good care. Namaste.